Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making pork ribs in 2 ways. 1 pot, 2 different dishes. You get a light, sweet soup and a rich, spicy rib dish, both super satisfying. Let's prepare the vegetables first. Here we have carrot chunks, Chinese yam chunks, and this is fruit corn cut into small sections. For aromatics, I've got chopped ginger, garlic, and small chili peppers. And we will also need some chopped scallions and cilantro, plus a few scallion segments for later, 2 slices of ginger, a few goji berries. Everything is ready, let's cook. Start with ribs in cold water. Add 2 tablespoons cooking wine. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Take them out and rinse clean with warm water. Now put the ribs into a multi cooker. Add ginger slices, corn, carrots, and yam. Pour in hot water. Use the soup mold and let it cook for about 50 minutes. If you are using a pressure cooker, once it comes to pressure, 6 to 8 minutes is enough. Once the time's up, take out part of the ribs and set them aside. Leave the rest in the pot. Scoop out a bowl of soup. Season the soup with 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons white pepper. Add some cilantro, scallions, and goji berries. That's it. The soup is done. Clear, sweet, and comforting. Now let's make the second dish, spicy ribs. Heat oil in the wok. Add the ginger, garlic, and chili peppers, and stir fry until fragrant. Add 1 tablespoon chili powder, and quickly fry it out. Add in the ribs we set aside, and stir fry together. Season with 1½ tablespoon light soy sauce, and ½ a tablespoon dark soy sauce. Mix well, then pour in some of the rib soup. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Turn to low heat, cover, and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Uncover the lid, add the scallion segments. Turn up the heat and stir fry until everything is well coated and fragrant. And we are ready to plate. Look at this, 2 ways to enjoy pork ribs, all made at once. One is spicy, rich, and deeply flavorful. The other is light, sweet, and comforting. Let me try it for you. Wow, so fragrant. And the sip of the soup, that's pure comfort. You should definitely try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.